Over 1 million people that have a Medicare Advantage plan were notified in the month of September that their plan is terminating for 2026. Now, a lot of those people never read that letter. Some didn't get it because their address wasn't up to date. Some didn't read it because it was online in their portal and they don't go in there. Some got the letter and they don't like mail, so they just threw it away because it looked like a solicitation. It looked like junk. So they don't know that on December 31st, their Medicare Advantage plan will terminate. Now, it might be you, or it might be your parents or your friends or somebody that you're helping. If that happens, the plan terminates on December 31st. What happens on January 1st? They will revert back to Medicare A and B only. So if they go to the doctor, they will pay a 20% copay. If they go into the hospital, they will have a deductible. They will have no drug coverage. As of January 1st, they will have no drug coverage for the month of January. If you catch this in January, you can re-enroll into a Medicare Advantage plan to start February the 1st. If you don't catch it until February, again, you won't have coverage except for A and B until March the 1st. If you enroll in February the 1st, it will start March the 1st. If you don't catch this until March, you're stuck. You have to wait until next October, and your plan won't start until next January. So it's important that you know if your plan is continuing or terminating. You get an annual notice of change letter every year by law if you're on Medicare Advantage. And like I said, you probably don't read it. You probably don't read it because for years, Medicare Advantage got slightly better. You got a little extra dental. They threw in some extra vision. The prices might have gone up a little bit, but it was reasonable. So you didn't care. You're not in the habit of reading that letter. If you're not exactly sure what your 2026 benefits look like versus your 2025 benefits, if your plan terminated, you can call your insurance company, get your insurance ID card out, flip it over, call the customer service. Did my plan terminate? Now, I will tell you that UnitedHealthcare terminated about 600,000 members off of their PPO plan. Aetna terminated about 500,000 members off of their typically PPO plans. Humana and other companies also terminated typically people off their PPO plans. So if you're not 100% sure if your plan terminates tomorrow, now's the time to go find that out. Now, if you just want to change plans because you're like, oh, I didn't realize that the price, it's too late to make changes. To change your Medicare Advantage plan, a normal change has to happen between October 15th and December 7th of each year. So you missed that. We passed that. But the first quarter of each year, January, February, and March, you have another chance where you could make one change to your Medicare Advantage if you're not happy. So I always tell people, go to the doctor in January. I don't know if you get a physical or you get a drug refill. Make sure everything looks good. Your doctor still accepted, everything's good. If you're happy, you don't have to do anything. But if you're not happy, anytime during that first quarter, give us a call, the Medicare Family. Go to our website, book your own appointment, themedicarefamily.com. There's a yellow button. Schedule your appointment. We're licensed in all 50 states. If you're not happy with your plan the first quarter, let's talk to you and see what's going on, why you're unhappy, and see if there's a fix for that. If your plan exited, then as of January 1st, you only have A and B. You have no drug coverage. How will you get drug coverage? Drug discount cards, Mark Cuban's low-cost pharmacy, Amazon, Canadian Drug Mart. Go directly to the drug manufacturer. Oftentimes, they will give you assistance if you don't have a Medicare drug plan, which you don't have right now. So you might be able to get your drugs directly through the drug manufacturers. So I hope this doesn't impact you, your family, or friends, but I will tell you there will be a lot of people that fell through the cracks that didn't realize their plan was terminating until they go to the doctor in January and February. We'll be here to help when that happens. Send them our way, themedicarefamily.com. If you learned something, share this with your friends, with your family. Follow us. I'd appreciate it. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.